Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, AskDeAvilaSadé, with your host, DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm bringing you a new video. Now, if you're new to my channel, I like to talk about all things mental health. I am a licensed clinical social worker, which is our terminal license for independent practice as a therapist. I like to coin myself as a millennial mental health therapist because I am where mental health meets the millennials. So, go ahead and subscribe to my page and go watch my other videos that I have been posting for years. But today, we're going to do a new type of video until I come up with some more content. So, you guys, if you don't follow me on social media, I have been talking about I want to get Microlocs for a while now, y'all. And I finally committed to the decision. This year, if you're new to my channel, this year I turned 30.
I couldn't say this. That could take me out the game.
I turned 30 this year. So I am really at a place where I'm all about growing my private practice, growing my brand, continuing doing speaking engagements. I don't have time to do my hair. Like, I just don't. When I was in undergrad, when I first started my natural hair journey many, many moons ago, yeah, I was up there washing and deep conditioning my hair twice a week. Like, listen, would be an all-day process. At 30, I don't have the energy nor time to commit to doing my hair. And although Microlocs is low maintenance, I know it's not no maintenance, but it's significantly lower than my natural hair regimen that I do. So I'm excited. Tomorrow I'm going to a Loctician here in Memphis, Tennessee to get locked up. I'm starting my locks with 2-strand twists that will eventually mature into locks. And I'm excited. So as you see, my hair is in these big jumbo braids and I'm going to go ahead and cut them out. I booked an appointment. She got me for 12 hours, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. because I'm also getting my hair washed. Like, I'm not washing my own hair. I know some people, a lot of beauticians don't like washing your hair. They want you to come out already. Add it to my service. I want the full experience, okay? So add it to my service. I'm not washing my own hair. Not for this. Or anything else, really. Well, I guess now I'm going to start washing it between when I go get my hair retightened. So anyway, I added this to my channel because, of course, I feel like self-care is so important. If you follow me on Instagram, you see I do a lot of self-care Sunday reels. And tomorrow is Sunday. Today is September the 18th, 2021. So I'll be getting it done tomorrow. And it's on a Sunday. So Self-Care Sunday. We're going to just add this to the Self-Care Sunday. And if y'all really like this and want updates through my journey, then I will be glad to add it to the channel in the midst of adding more mental health content to the channel. So let me go and cut these out and then I'll come back so we can see how long my hair is. I was so adamant I'm not cutting my hair. Like, I was not doing it. I was going to pay whatever it was going to be for me to pay for whatever. So I got my consultation about a month ago and it was good for 30 days. And when she measured my hair, it's about 13 inches. So, of course, I done had these in since probably the week after that. So, almost a month. So, we're probably I'm 13 and a half, 14 inches. So, we're probably going to be getting about 14 inches of hair. Hopefully, micro-locked. So, let me go ahead and cut these things out. And then I'm going to come back. Excuse the lighting. It's the evening time. So, yeah. It is what it is. And I'll be back. All right. I am back and the braids are out. Y'all. Like, we're about to micro lock this hair in the morning. I'm so excited. Y'all understand. So this, if y'all ever want a full history of my natural hair journey, I can do a video about that, but I began transitioning in 2012, big chop for the first time, 2013, big chop the second time in 2018, because I had a lot of color and heat damage, and here we are, so 18, 20, 3 years since the second big chop, and this is where we at. So yeah, I had faux locks back in April for my birthday, and taking them out, I ended up, excuse the dirtiness of my hair, I ended up cutting some pieces, 2 sections of my hair. I have to find it. It's somewhere up in here. So I'm gonna have a small area where it's gonna be short hair because I can't find it. It's, oh, there it is. There it is. Y'all see that? That's it. It didn't grow on significantly. So remember, it's September and I cut it in, what, May? So yeah, that's where it is. It's in there. So that's gonna be some short locks right there. But I'm so excited. I'm hoping she can get done. She put me down for 12 hours from 7 to 7. So I'm hoping that she gonna be able to 2-strand twist all of this in one day, and I'm not gonna have to go back on another day to get it done because I'm not finna be out here looking crazy. But yeah, this is it, and I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm so excited. Okay, all right, let me stop. All right, I'll see y'all soon. Good morning. It is Sunday, September the 19th, 2021. And it is lock day, okay? Locked up, they won't let me. Like, listen, it's time to get locked up in this thing. So I'm super excited. Y'all see I done put this hair in a puff because, yeah, that's what happened last night. So, I ended up getting a text message last night, but I had went to sleep, so I woke up. And she pushed my appointment to 9. Instead of starting at 7 a.m., it's starting at 9 a.m. Because she ended up staying late with someone else here the night before. So I was like, okay, well, that gives me a couple of extra hours of sleeping. And she said that she's going to have an assistant. So actually, it looks like 2 people are going to be working on my hair, which makes me feel like we going to get done in one day. Like, okay, y'all know that's what I wanted. I want to get done in one day. So I feel like, okay, Lord, whatever needs to happen for this stuff to work out, that's cool. So I'm getting some stuff together to take with me since I'll be there so long. I'm also dressing pretty comfortably. Like, I threw on this Howard sweatshirt. No, I did not go to Howard. I know every time I wear it or wear another HBCU shirt, people are like, did you go there? And I'd be like, no, I just like to promote HBCUs because, you know, I wish I would have went to one. So, you know, but my sorority was founded at this illustrious college, university. So, period. And it's a great color. All right, anywho, so I'm packing some things for me to not be bored. So I got my MacBook Pro. It's down here on the charger. I have my AirPods. I'm using one now. Neck pillow. Yes. I looked on YouTube when I was doing my research. People recommended you get a neck pillow, so I went out and bought one. So in case I guess I want to sleep and not want my neck hurting. So, but the way the girl had, I think she did it like, can I even get this open? Okay, there we go. She had it like this. Ooh, sorry. She had it like this. So, we'll see. So I got my little neck pillow, so I'm gonna pack that. And then I didn't have a chance to go to the store and get snacks. So I have someone bringing me snacks up there, and of course I have DoorDash, so I was like, I will not be leaving for food. Shoot, I can DoorDash me and her something to eat, and whoever else is there. Okay, we got the Dash Pass. We got our beautiful Telfire bag that everything will be stored in. I'm a doctoral student, so of course I always have homework, but actually I did my homework for this upcoming week already because I didn't want to have to be sitting in my chair doing homework. So I'm not bringing no type of school books with me, and I don't even think I'm gonna bring a book for leisure. Usually I love to read, but yeah, I'm not in the mood because I read so much for school right now. I read a lot between semesters, but during school it's hard for me because I have to read so much content as I get prepared for my dissertation, which starts in January. Another reason why I want to lock my hair. I'm up here about to write a dissertation. Baby, ain't nobody got time to be doing her hair. Who, where, when, how, right? So all right, y'all, so I gotta finish. I got coffee brewing downstairs, and I'm gonna go ahead and pack up my beautiful Telfire bag that I got earlier this year, and I'm gonna get ready to head out the house. So I will see y'all at the shop, and we gonna see what this journey gonna look like for you, girl. See y'all soon. with our Microlocs install. Y'all, like, we're done. We're done. It looks so neat. I'm so excited. Let me do a little spin around real quick. Do a little, I don't know, my head kind of big, so let me see. I'm hoping that it's getting the angles that we want it to get. Okay, so day one, September the 19th, day one, 2021 of having Microlocs. So it took 7 hours from 9 a.m. to, what time is it? 4? Yeah, it took 9 to 4. So that wasn't bad. It was 2 people working on my head, as you saw. So it did not take that long. I like how they did it. So when one person was working in like the back left quadrant, someone else was working in the right front quadrant, and then they switched. So yeah. So I have what we would call fine hair. So even though I have like long hair, it's fine. It's on the thinner side or the finer side. So I only have 275 locks in my hair. So that was different to hear that, because from watching all of those YouTube videos, I was seeing people with like 400 and 500 locks, and I'm like, okay. But I think for my hair texture, again, I think the YouTubers I was watching really didn't have fine hair either. So I think for this texture, this is good. I think I got, oh, that's disgusting. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't like acne bumps. So I already know that oil got in my skin, and now got a little bump. We're not in it. Yeah, we're going to get this together. So, okay, let me stop. Anyway, so yeah, so 275 locks. Hair is, I think, really in some healthy conditions. Some of it is, I think it's stretched out for the most part, but of course, it could be stretched out longer, so it shrinks back up. I went to BittyLocs here in Memphis, Tennessee, and it was Daphne who worked on my hair, and she was amazing, very knowledgeable. Like, baby, whatever questions I asked, she answered them, and she just seemed really like confident in all of her answers. So and it kind of matched up with a lot of the research that I had done as well. It did match up with the research I had done, and then she gave me even added extra information than what I had even found in research. So from my research and from what she told me, like one person I was following was like Takira Ann, and she was washing her hair once a week, starting week 1 of getting her Microlocs, whereas my loctician told me, don't wash my hair until I come back from my retighten in 5 weeks. So I will not be washing my hair for 5 weeks. If I get an itchy scalp, put a little grapeseed oil and just massage it into the scalp. And then once a week, I can spray it with this lock spray that I have that she creates. So I can do that. But we're going to try not to have my hair wet. So, you know, it can start locking, because when your hair is wet, it supposedly will not lock as quickly. So we want to make sure that that is done. I'm just glad to be on this journey. This is day 1. I still have sunlight. I was like, I really thought I was going to be there for like 12 hours. So I'm really glad I wasn't. And I can update you guys. I don't know if I'm going to update at 1 month, since my retightening is not until 5 weeks from now. So I think I will only want to update once I get it retightened. So I'm going to be doing the interlock method. When I do get my new growth retightened, I'll be doing the interlock method. So yeah, that's it. 275 locks up in this thing. We're excited. We're excited about this journey. If you have any questions about my experience or want to ask me anything else, please feel free to do that. And I think we're going to end it right here, y'all. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.